Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about salt trick for men recipe. So you should try this recipe or not, it will give you really some kind of benefits or not. So in this video we will talk about each and every information, because in today's time hundreds and thousands of advertisement you can see on your social media platform which are saying like you will get the salt trick and you will get some kind of performance by using salt, you can say, and all. Okay, so my dear friends, I want to tell you only one thing: all are scam. And what is the scam behind this thing? The first scam behind this thing is like when you purchase, or you can say all the advertisement are AI generated, and all the videos are available on YouTube, all are affiliate marketers. Okay, and when you purchase the product they will get highly commissions if you use their links. Okay, so basically these are all, you can say, scam tactics, and after using product you will not get any kind of benefits. Okay, and you are not going to get any kind of benefits after using product, and there is a lack of trust, and maybe you will face some kind of side effects because you have to consume the product and you have to take the product in your body. So how you can trust on these kind of advertisement and these kind of video creators who are just providing you reviews only for money? So you should not trust on these kind of reviews. Okay, so basically I have done my job. Now your turn. If you have any experience and you have seen any kind of advertisement on your social media platform, then you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.